Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here. Welcome back to Lesson 8 here on Free Code Camp, JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structure Certification, Basic JavaScript. And today we'll be starting with basic JavaScript storing multiple values in one variable using JavaScript arrays. So with the JavaScript array variables, we can store several pieces of data in one place. You start an array declaration with an opening square bracket like such, and with a closing square bracket, and put a comma between each entry like this. And again, this is just showing strings, but we can actually put other data types inside here. Including but not limited to objects, numbers, more arrays, whatever you really want. Cool. Maps, stuff like that. Anyways, so modify the new my array so that it contains both string and a number. So say Theo, and I'll just put 25. Okay, and first item should be a string, second should be a number. Good to go. All right, number 2. See, you can also nest, basic JavaScript nest one array within another array. You can also nest arrays within other arrays like this. It's also called a multi-dimensional array, because we have many layers. Let's make this a little easier to read, and I'll show us. So should have at least one nested array, and I'm just going to put Theo inside of here. I'll go ahead and run this. Good to go. Number 3, access array data with indices, should be. Create a variable called myData and set it equal to the first value of my array. So we're going to say myData, and I just want to go my array of 0, remember? And let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Number 4, modify array data with indexes. Modify the data stored at index 0 of my array to a value of 45. So we'll say my array 0 is 45. And if we log out my array, and I open up my console here and start to show you guys what we get. And we should get 45 because we've updated it. All right, and finally, number 5, access multi-dimensional array with indices. Here's a multi-dimensional array. So it looks like the last index of this array is an array in and of itself. All right, so using bracket notation, select an element from my array such that my data is equal to 8. Okay, so what we want to do is change this to, basically we want this number, so we want my array 0, and actually what we want is 0, 1, 2, I think we want 2 and 1, that's what we should want. Good to go. So the reason I did 2 first, because I'm digging into this first level, so let me just show it so we can see it a little bit more clearly. And then actually this is part of, let me just show it. Okay, so this is what's going on here, just so we can all see it a little bit more clearly. Back that one up a little bit. Okay, so again, I did 2, 0, 1, 2, and then I was in here, right? That's where I'm at right now. Then I did 1, 0, 1, and that's how I got 8. All right, and good to go. All right, guys, lesson 9, we'll start with manipulating arrays with push, which will allow us to add on elements at the end of our array. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description of the course I recommend on React and JavaScript. And if you like them, go ahead and try them out. Buy them. Thanks for watching. See you later.